Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I have another package I got today, so lucky me. I don't normally get this many packages all at once, but this is the second one this week, and I'm very happy to get this. This is actually a package that come from Thumpers Lockpicking, and some of you may know that a few weeks ago he posted a video saying that he needed to cut back on some of his locks that he has in his collection and offered to sell them to people for a pretty good price. And there's a few of them that I really wanted, but I was kind of like, oh, I don't know about it right now, but sometimes it's hard to pass it up, and money that I had saved for something else, I decided, well, let me go ahead and hit him up on this and ask him if a few locks that I wanted were available, and he said they were. Gave me a really good price on them, a killer deal, and so I couldn't say no. But one thing led to another, and I think I might have overdid it a little bit. And he also did say that he did throw in some surprises, so I don't know what those are yet. And as you can tell, this is a really big package. I actually have the camera up higher than I normally do just to get this in here. So anyway, let's without any further ado, let's open this big boy up and see what's inside. And so, no idea what the surprises are. Yeah, it takes up a lot of room. Put this away. Might need it here in a little bit. What's that? Okay, I'm gonna put this on my lap and start getting things out. This is a heavy box. Weighs in just under 20 pounds. My packaging out of the way. Oh boy. I can see a lot of stuff already. There's a 3-pack of M5, Master Lock M5s. Wow. There's a pretty cool Lockwood. The box is upside down. Lockwood with an Assa alloy core, it looks like. I told him I wanted some master locks and some Lockwoods. Get some more master locks from my collection, and I only have one Lockwood, so I kind of wanted to get a few more of those. Here's a Master Lock number 5. Here's a little safe cracker puzzle game. These can be very difficult to use. Here's some pack lock cores. Got 5 of them there. No, it's still going. So I can see why there's pack lock cores in here. I'll have to get to those in just a second. This little bundle's bundled up really well. Oh, look at these beautiful Assa alloy or Lockwoods 120/50. There's one. And here is a 334B45. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful Lockwood there. Another little bundle. Get this little extra, little disc lock, says extra space storage on it. Here is a master lock number 15. Love these things. Nice big padlock. Here's a master lock little 410 Lotto. The 401 core on there. There's a pack lock UCS 81A. That's a good beefy padlock. That would, it looks like this will take those cores that got there. There's another pack lock UCS2A. I'm running out of room. There's another pack lock UCS 4A. This is a 50 millimeter laminated padlock. It says China on the key. HFT there written on top. Let's see what next. Got a couple little bundles here. These. Now this says Smart on there, but a little trailer lock. Can be fun. Okay, we're getting there, getting down to the bottom. Okay. Got this master lock, a dimple lock, master lock. I don't remember what number this is. Little closed shackle. Nice little dimple lock there. Just master locks from my collection. Next we have a Medico padlock with extra core. That's a beautiful padlock. Okay. Next, we have this quick set smart key. It's like a deadbolt type lock. Oh wow, look at the bitting on that key. And last but not least, got this beautiful prison lock type thing. Look at that big key on there. That is really cool. Beautiful looking. And there, I think is that the star of the show? Got some awesome locks, a lot of master locks, pack locks, Lockwoods, the Medico, and of course this prison lock. It says Folger Adam, Joliet, Illinois. Joliet? Oh, whatever. Anyway. Got that thing. Beautiful. It looks really good. Nice padlock to put in my collection. So anyway, well, that filled up the table. Thank you so much, Thumper. Your card is under here somewhere. Thank you, Thumper, for sending me... Oh, I think I left one down here. Yeah, I was like, oh yeah, I remember one coming out. But here's another little challenge lock that's made by Thumper called Bartholomew. I get the key out. There we go. I got a challenge lock that he made. I asked him to... I wanted a lock that he made for my collection. So anyway... I think I got everything now. I don't think I forgot anything. Anyway, well, that's everything. And that was a big package. And it's definitely nice to see a lot of these awesome locks. And I can't wait to pick some of them, and hopefully I can get through them. But it definitely very nice of Thumper to be able to share some of the locks that he had in his collection with some of us. And so thank you very much, Thumper, for sending this package to me. And thank you, everybody, for watching. Make sure that you leave a like on this video. Make sure you're subscribed, and definitely leave comments down below. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and have a wonderful day.